Hi everyone, I am Kenneth Rose Byron, a BS Entrepreneur student, and welcome. Today, I want to share my reflection on my journey learning about production and operation management, or POM, and why it is important in entrepreneurship. I've been learning more about POM during the whole period of semester. Even though our class is only Sunday and the rest is online, but that's not the hindrance to learn in this subject because my professor discuss so well and he gives more examples that make us know. And so that I learned in the production and operation management, it's comprehensive strategy overseeing the whole value creation and also those types, principles, techniques, and also the benefits. This is also involves several key aspects. Planning. Planning is figuring out what to produce and when. Next, organizing. Organizing, structuring resources efficiently. Controlling, monitoring progress and making adjustments, and constantly improving, making the process more efficient, effective, and less costly. Understanding POM is very important for us entrepreneurs. Consider this all businesses, whether they are local, like sari-sari store or any startups, have operation. You can't grow your business if you don't know how it works. Efficiency, cost management, and eventually profitability. Profitability will be your biggest challenges. So that for any entrepreneurial make initiative to be profitable, efficient, and experience sustainable growth, production, and operation management must be done well. I was aware of the significance of supply chain management. For instance, a firm can succeed or fail based on understanding of its sources and competent resource management, especially during difficult times. You can reduce risk like unforeseen disruption or material price increases with a strong production operation management strategy. In order to make sure that your product or service continuously satisfies clients' expectation, I also acquired useful quality control strategies, and the quality of the consumer's experience is just as important as the end product's quality. In simple terms, POM gives business owners the tools they need to be more successful, productive, and innovative. It takes you behind just having a fantastic product or idea to having a strong business plan that can expand and remain. Effective POM is essential in today's competitive environment, not simply a nice to have. So that production and operation management helped me a lot in my small business because I apply some of strategy to make my business grow more. Therefore, I highly recommend that you learn more about production and operation management if you are an entrepreneur or hope to become one. Innumerable benefits will result from this investment. So that's all. Thank you and God bless.